I'm in 7 lane.
So how did we get her? Well, I got surprised my birthday at 7 lanes. This was not just any 7 lanes. This 7 lanes, it was a bougie 7 lanes. It was based in Victoria. Yes, Victoria. Victoria's actually upgrading. This is my family. Thank you for the surprise each and every time, man. I love you guys. But I had to show them how it's done, you get me? Because I love bowling. If you know me, I love bowling. But then my boy had to go and wrap it and put in a gutter. But then she had to spin the wheel and bring it back. But at the end, Lord won. And that's how it's done.